Hello, I'm Lana Pedro. I'm a grade 00 Edumentor at Rallim Prep, and we were very fortunate to be donated some of the books with the card games via Tea4Kidz, and the children were introduced to the cards the day before when I was cutting them up ready for our Zoom session with Renee Lighton. They took it upon themselves to sort them. They loved the elephant card specifically because my class is called the elephant class. So they loved seeing Trumpy the elephant. They liked counting the cards. They liked talking about the animals. And then the next day we were very fortunate and excited to have a Zoom play date with Renee Lighton. So Renee was projected onto our Apple TV in the classroom, and we listened out for instructions from her with regards to her wonderful card games using the animal cards. The children were put into pairs over 3 classrooms, and the zebras, the rhinos, and the elephants. So it was a good learning curve, and the children just loved it because they were interacting with her even though she was on Zoom. They kept bringing up their cards to the MacBook to show her which was their favorite card, or which number they of the age in the book, or which letter their name began with. A little boy saw the T for Tea4Kidz and said, "That's T like in Timmy, my name." So it was a really interactive morning. It was wonderful. And each child got to take a book home, some cards, and also the tea samples. We had the strawberry flavor, Rory the lion. And then after that, in the afternoon, later morning, we also had a little tea party. So we brought our teapots to school and we made the tea for them. We all sat down and had a cup of the delicious Rory strawberry flavored tea. So it was a wonderful morning of learning. And of course, we've got the cards now that we can play games with the children whenever